Town Hall House, offices of the Sydney City Council, situated right in the heart of the city of Sydney. It is visited today by ERP Group 21, a team of young students from the University of Technology, Sydney. These young men have been busy preparing a number of questions, as well as prepare a demonstration of enterprise resource planning software at Ampere for Council Business Analyst Helen Fard. Through Helen, Group 21 aims to learn about the ERP system in place at Sydney City Council and its effectiveness to the organisation.
First of all, can you please state your title and your role with the city?
Obviously my name is Helen Fard. I work for the city. My role here at Council is to look at business improvement, so it's business analysis, and ultimately implement a corporate asset management system for the City Infrastructure and Business Operations Unit.
Does the city use accounting and operating systems to coordinate the outputs of the organisation?
We purchased about 2 years ago a corporate asset management system which councils never had, and it's a massive system. It's a product that we purchased off the shelf, so we did not develop it ourselves. Confirm Enterprise is the package that we work for, and it's a corporate asset management system, and I've been implementing that for the past nearly 2 years.
Why does the city need the system?
The city, we maintain infrastructure. We've never had an actual system to manage that. We have to look at a roads pavement system that measures the life capacity of an asset. That's big for us too. We've never had that opportunity to have that. So the business needs were a lot more demanding, and there was a consortium of obviously management and the executive saying this is where we need to go. We need to move into the 21st century, and we were behind the times. And that's why CAMS is an asset management system.
Can you give me an example of how the system is used within the organisation?
Again, I'll use civil maintenance because they're our biggest user. Our guys will get notification and an inquiry from the resident out there. Will either send through in a complaint or a notification to say, look, I've got an issue with my road. You know, we've got a call centre that will register the inquiry through pathways and into CAMS, and it's an interface system. And we've got asset inspectors that register defects. So those inquiries/defects will come through into this system. We've got coordinators that will review what the job's about, and then they'll start scheduling the job as per, you know, its priority and so on. So then they will coordinate teams to go out and carry out the works.
And please advise any advantages and disadvantages the system has to the organisation.
Okay, the advantage is fantastic because we have an inventory that we store our data. We can report against our data. Before it was all manually based, paperwork, and we get we can get up to 5,000 jobs a year. Obviously, everything's system, automated, it's workflowed, we can manage, report, we can look at statistics, we can look at our trends, things that we've never had the opportunity to deal with. Yeah?
What are the future plans for the system?
Future plans, we've got a lot of stages to implement at the moment. We're looking at mobile computing that uses iPads. It's a massive system and we've only used so much of the system.
Yeah, how's the system linked to the city strategy?
Well, it's Sydney 2030, so ultimately we want to become a more competitive, more efficient business to meet our Sydney 2030 targets. We can say, okay, where are we lacking? How do we improve process? How to improve our efficiencies? So all of those positives will eventually hook up to our Sydney 2030 objective, and you know we want to move into the 21st century in a very efficient manner, doing it slowly but surely because this is big. We've never been in this type of situation before for us.